Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel where I unbox subscription boxes so you can decide, is it worth it or not for you? Today is a new box on the channel, but it's not actually new to me. I got one of these right before I got my camera and started filming. It's kind of like, it shipped out really quickly, more quickly before I had any kind of setup. I'm unboxing the June-July Tribe Beauty Box. Oh wow. Tribe Beauty Box, there we go. This is every other month, so I actually got one in April and it came like immediately and I didn't have anything set up yet. And so now we're actually going to open one of these on my channel. So these are $30 a month, or every other month plus shipping, so you have to pay for that. So for me it's about $35 and it comes with, I think it's 5 products. Most of them come with 5 products. These should be full-size products as well. And there'll be a little card in here telling me what everything is worth. So let's get into it. By the way, I love this package, like this self-made thing. This is specifically owned by women and they put brands in here also owned by women. So that's kind of their thing with this, but it's a beauty one as well. Let me pull out, hold on. So here's the little card. I'll put this off to the side. This has got all the prices on it. By the way, this is June 2020 is Tribe Treats. That's the theme. Okay, so when I was pulling the card out, the first thing I also pulled out with it is, in fact, this Sweet Retreat. Let's try that again. And it is 12 masks. Oh, 12 mini masks. Oh, interesting. So they look like food. Oh, look how cute that is. So these are mini masks and it says clear skin, dry thoroughly, apply mini masks to desired areas of face and body and leave on for 10 to 20 minutes. Remove the mask and then, yeah, just like normal. That's adorable. And yeah, they're like treat themed. It's got all these like little sweets. How cute. Oh, that's so much fun. It suggests taking a selfie, by the way, after you put these on your skin. So that's fun. Oh, I got a coupon in here. I'll just throw that down there. Okay. And the next thing in here is a box that looks like it's been a little, I went through a little bit. So this is from Skone Chemists, which is something I actually got in the first box from them. I got a lip plumping gloss that I like to wear. I like the peppermint taste. I don't really care about the lip plumping effects, but I love the peppermint, so that's what I use it for. But this is a Rose Illuminating Glow Peel-Off Mask, my favorite things. And I'm not sarcastic on that, I love peel-off masks. And Rose sounds wonderful. Let me see. Oh, we got our little metal bit. Yeah, it smells like rose, but like not very much. I'm making it bubble. It's a little light pink color in there. I'm not going to put any on my skin because it will dry and then I'll have to peel it and that'll be fun, but a nice little thing. I know that this brand is pretty expensive. The plumping lip gloss I got was $30, which is so much for a lip gloss. I would not pay that for a lip gloss. So I know this is going to be a lot, but I'm excited about this. So we've got a cute little mini masks and some peel-off masks. Oh, this is great so far. Something down at the bottom here. This is from Pure. This is actually something I got to pick. I knew that there was going to be a chrome glaze in here, and I got to pick between 2 colors. So this is the Pure Chrome Glaze High Shine Lip Gloss. And I picked mine in the color Rebel, which is this kind very dark berry color. But being, oh, that is pretty dark purple. I was going to say, being a lip gloss, it will come out a little bit lighter. And it does. It definitely is lighter. It's definitely got a lot of pigment in it, though, for a lip gloss. I'm definitely happy with that. A nice pigmented lip gloss. It looks real shiny. Doesn't smell like anything. Real pretty. I like Pure. That's pretty exciting. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, so the next product that was in here is from Rodial, which I believe it was my glossy box from this month, June. Had a product from them as well that I know was really expensive. It was an $18 face mask, like one sheet mask. So this is a mascara from them, the XXL Mascara Extreme Lash Maximizer. Let's see. In Black Velvet. Okay, we got this here. So this I know is from the UK, and that is the brush there. So I don't normally like keep mascaras that I get. I want to pass those along, but I'm actually kind of interested in this one. And I bet this is really expensive, and I'll know that when I get to the actual like thing here where it's got the two of them that I have, which is really fun, but I don't know. I'll test it out. Okay, we're in my last product. Last product is also the biggest product, and it came in bubble wrap itself because it is a palette. Ooh, that catches the light really well. Okay, let's see if I can get it. So this is from Lorac Pro, but not that Lorac that you would know. This is the other company called Lorac. Let me pop it open. It's really fun that there are two. So this is also a British company. So this is from Lorac Pro, and this is the chocolate box. And look how huge this is. Look how big this palette is. And it's got the two middle colors. Those are, like, I guess you could use them on eyes, but I think they're more like highlight shades. They're called Bittersweet and Toasted Coconut. On the back of my hand. They're basically gone right now. I need to put more on there. But yeah, so basically I've got this nice, huge chocolate palette, and it's got lots of neutrals, lots of like pinks. It's really pretty. I really am interested in this peanut brittle color over here. Look at it. I think it's a glitter. Oh, so when I did it, it now doesn't look as pretty in that. It's a duochrome, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So it's a shimmer, and it turned purple, but in the pan, it looks like white and brown. That's so cool. Okay, there's this color Crunch. I bet it's similar. Yeah, it's also like, look at those like super shiny shades there. Oh, those are real pretty. Let's see. Let's try this color Delicious here. It's up the top. It's kind of this pink. Oh, whoa. These are a really good color payoff for a little bit. Let's try matte. We'll try this one, Strawberries and Cream. Okay, kind of powdery. Got a lot of kick up on that one, but still really pretty. Those are really pretty colors. Like, I'm pretty happy with this. And those pans in the middle, like, look how big these two like this highlight pans. Those are huge. That's like the size of that one little palette that I have. This one. Like, this is like literally the same size as this palette with 4 colors in it. That's huge. That's really cool though. I'm glad I got some more shelving to put my palettes on, because I forgot. I knew that this was coming, but I forgot. I forget a lot more than I remember about my boxes, truthfully, but I'm pretty excited about that. I am really happy. I'm really happy with those like much more duochrome transformative colors in there that I didn't know. Okay, so now it is time to go to our information sheet. So this is only one-sided. It's got everything on the front here. So there were 5 full products, and it's starting off with our Lorac, the chocolate box palette, which is $43.74 US, because it is generally in pounds. By the way, this also gives things in Canadian dollars as well. Okay, so that is $43.74, and it's got 18 mattes, 6 metallics, 2 strobe highlight powders. That's a lot for one palette. $48. I mean, that puts it in like a high-end range, like, but I really liked the colors I picked up, so I have pretty high hopes for that. Okay, up next is our mascara from Rodeo Cosmetics. Okay, this isn't as bad. So this is the, Glamo Lash Mascara, which I don't know if I saw on there, but goodness, it is $29 US. That is a lot, but not the most for a mascara that I've seen. That's on the like luxury end mascara kind of thing, so that's fine with that. Okay, up next is the Skin Chemist Rose Illuminating Peel Off, which is $43 US. This is 50 milliliters. That is so much. I have one from Purlisse. Hold on, it's over here. I have this Purlisse Watermelon Energizing Peel Off Mask that is 70 milliliters, and I'm pretty sure I paid about $12 for this. Maybe it was on sale. I don't know, but it definitely is not $43. Oh, I know this is made in the UK, and I know that, like, there's importing costs and things like that, but that's still a lot. Boy, howdy. Yeah, that $30 lip gloss definitely was right. Okay, up next is our pure lip gloss in the color Rebel. So it looks like the other color is the color Innocent, and it's actually a velvet matte liquid lipstick, whereas this is a gloss, which I do really like this gloss. I love that it is so deep a color and still not too bad. So this is $18 US. Sounds about right for pure. And let's see, our last thing is our mask. Our very, very cute mini mask from Masquerade Beauty. It's the Fun Line mask for $5. Not too bad at all. And by the way, on the card, the first line of this is stressed, spelled backwards, is desserts. So that's why it's a cute little dessert mask. That's really sweet. Okay, so that's it. That's all 5 of the products from this month's Tribe beauty box. I do really like it. I end up with things that I wouldn't normally get. Like, I'd never even heard of this brand before I got an email saying that this palette was going to be in there. And I looked at it, and it's interesting because they've got a lot of these like giant size palettes. But now that I actually have it and I've seen the like quality of it, I do really like it. I really like how pigmented the shades were, and how those shimmers were so different than what they look like in the pan. I also really like everything has a food flavor. So like we got peanut brittle, honey nut, truffle, bittersweet, raspberry ganache. Like that's super fun. I am really excited about this dark lip gloss. Most of my lip glosses are light. They're pink or they're clear or things like that, or they're sparkly, which is its own color. I will definitely use this. In fact, I might use it tonight, but boy, is that a lot of money for that. Maybe I'll use this mask instead. These are really, I love the idea of those mini masks. And what is my last thing? Oh, this, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or not, or if I'll pass it on to someone else. I'll decide later. It's kind of interesting. But yeah, let's go through and actually total everything up. Okay, so totaled up, the 5 products are $138.47. A lot of that value is just from these two. And like I said, I think the box is about $35, $40 themselves. Both of these are worth over that. This I expect to be $40. This I don't, but I mean, overall, I'm really happy with what's in here. And it's got a fun mix of products, like I said before. So yeah, I mean, I think it's good. I was happy with it, but let me know down below what you think, or if you would get this, or tell me, what do you think of this palette? Because I really like it so far. I'm going to test it actually on myself. Maybe in my next video we'll have this palette on my eyes. Who knows? Who knows? I don't know. Let me know down below. And let me know down below if there's any boxes you would like to see me open. Something that you've wanted to try, that you aren't really sure about. You want to see someone else open it first. But thank you so much for watching. While you're here, if you could, hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And turn on post notifications so you know when I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day. Bye!